What's up guys, Nathan here. I am with my brother Alex here.
What's up guys?
And we will be unboxing today. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is heavy. We will be unboxing Funky Doug's Mono Rovers, and
Smart Balance
wheels, etc, etc, etc. There's like a trillion names for this thing. So without any further ado, let's actually unbox this thing. Let's do this.
Yeah.
So we got our own colors. We just decided, me and my brother got one. Alright, let's see what we got in here. So
you get like,
first thing, manuals, a business card. Put that aside. User manual, no one cares about that. A very weird charger. I've never seen chargers like that.
the manual we got is not in full color, it's just black and
Well, that's all manuals,
white.
Alex.
Pretty much.
Alright, we got this stuff. Oh god. Foam. Oh, that's not bad.
Bubble wrap.
Yes. It's my brother. Alright, and I guess we got the thing right here. And these are pretty cheap, I think. Oh, this is heavy.
You gotta get a like box.
Oh, there you go. I got mine out.
Kind of like that box.
Oh god.
These are heavy though.
Oh, shoot.
I think there was something in there.
Okay.
This right here.
This is pretty heavy. Can you help? Yeah?
I think I got it.
It's a lot of...
It said like 100 kilograms, so.
I don't know what that is. Alright, so here we have it. Here I have mine. And yeah, I guess this is it. Yeah. Well, this is my color. That's my brother's color. He got the black on red, and I got the blue. This feels smooth. What do you think about it?
It's nice.
Sit down. Let's have a seat and discuss.
You can kind of hear this. Look.
Yeah, it's
There's like a little swoosh in there.
Alright, so first impressions about the colors and stuff. Colors are okay. It's plastic. This looks like, I think, this right here, the pad, the yellow pad, and this is red. It feels rubbery. It's rubber.
Yeah, it feels like.
Let's see, let's turn it on. Oh.
Ooh, it's nice. There's like.
Do you have a button? I think yours is wrong way. Let's try it.
No. Yeah.
Alright, let's turn it on. Turn yours on.
Yeah.
The button right here.
Oh. That was weird.
That was a different sound. Whoa. Okay, that is kind of cool. So I think we're supposed to fully charge this before we use it. This came with the dead LED. I don't know what this is. Like there's this, like here's mine's green. I don't know if you can see that. His is blue. Like one of them is like dead. But like let's see how it is. You don't even know how to do it. It's this pad.
I know it's pads. It just feel weird. I'm gonna try to stand on mine.
He doesn't. Don't stand on it. Don't stand on it.
This is probably what I might. Oh, the bubble wrap.
All right, let's see. Let's watch Alex do it. Let's clean here.
Yeah.
All right, go over there on the floor. All right, let's see this.
I'll probably do it right here.
All right, so yeah, that's mine right there. It's not bad. Looks pretty cool. All right, let's watch Alex right here. Let's see him.
Right way or wrong way?
I think that's the right way.
Right way.
Yeah, careful. Okay, stand. Careful. Go. Whoa!
That's weird.
Damn, you're gonna break your head. Chill.
Yeah,
All right, keep doing that. You need hold. You want, here? Let me sit. Go. Here, hold this. Let me try it. Hold this. Okay, put it on. Put it. All right, let's see. I'm extremely scared right now.
Wrong way.
Oh,
Wrong way.
Oh!
Wrong way.
That felt weird.
I know. I want to wear shoes on
Holy
it.
cow, that felt weird. It feels like that's what it feels like.
Just
You need actual balance for this. I'm very scared right now. Oh
We're terrified.
I'm kind of terrified right now. Let's see, I don't know.
Whoa, what?
I think I thought I had it.
You broke it.
Oh. Okay, that was bad.
It's kind of durable wheels, you can tell.
Oh, that hurt me a lot. Oh. I hurt my side. Oh. Epic fail right there. Careful here.
Okay.
Let me set up my tripod here. All right, let's do this, and I'll hold your hand. Let's do this. Right there. Right.
Move out on me.
Here, I'll hold your hand.
I need a chair. Here, wait.
No, I'll hold you. Just come here.
Okay. Hold me up, buddy.
Get up. Just get up.
Like.
Go for it. Still. I hurt my organs. Okay, just get off. We'll practice this. Just get off.
I got this.
You got it?
Yes, you go.
Okay, guys, this is okay. Just. Alright, let's just get off of it. Just get off.
Wait.
Damn,
Help me.
Go back. Alright, okay, we got it. Now do it to me. Get off of me. Let me try. So slow.
I'm good, man. I got this.
Alright, get off.
Okay, wait.
Get off. Just get off.
Hold my hand.
I'm kind of scared he's gonna break his. Alright,
Bro. Here, let me.
Alright, let's do this.
Let me try and set this up so you guys can see it better. There you go. Here, I'll help him out. Go. Get on it. Lightly. Now, lean a little bit. Lean. So moving back and forth. Lean.
Okay, look up. I'm scared.
Come forward a little bit. Don't think about it. Just go. Try and plant your feet.
I don't want to go where I'm going right now.
No, it's okay.
Woo! Oh! Chill!
Get off.
Chill the hell off!
Come on, go slow. Move forward. Good boy. Get off. Try to jump off.
Oh, it flipped.
Try yours.
All right, epic failure, guys.
I think I'm.
I want to use mine. I'll use mine right now. Epic failure. Waka wheels. If you guys want to get it, I got mine for like $200, I think. How much was it? $240?
These are.
They're pretty cheap, and they're the cool ones.
These are cool.
These aren't the regular ones. Those are like the cool ones.
I think there's a coupon in there.
There's not a coupon. There's no coupon. No, there was no. It was just business card. But I'll leave a link to the description on where you guys can get them, and hopefully you guys can get them. It's Waka wheels. There's a business card, and it was only $20 more than those regular ones, so it's a really good deal. Definitely check it out.
They're on sale right now.
Epic fail. I hurt my organs and whatever. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. Actually, give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed watching me fall down to the floor. Yeah, give me a thumbs up. Damn, someone's a pro. Someone's pro right there. So yeah, guys, give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy watching me fall and enjoy this video in general. Looks pretty sick.
Subscribe if you want to see some races or probably.
Yeah, if you guys subscribe for awesome videos. Like I said, I changed the subject of my channel. Now we're like the all cool channel, no more tech and stuff. Well, there's tech. This is technology considerably, but it's more fun stuff now. I hope you guys enjoy it. Until next time, guys. It was Alex, me. Till next time, this is Nathan Ard. Peace out. Here, like, watch me drive it. All right. Not bad.
You got better at it. Don't back up. Not back up.
I want to take it outside and drive it. Anyway, guys, here I was just showing you guys how I drive it. It's not that bad. I got him better.
On my second try. Hey, what's up, guys?
Alright, anyway, guys, there you guys go.